Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Yami from the Latina next door and Hailey from the Farmer and the Southern Belle on the Look for Less challenge, and I'm so excited because today I'm just feeling the boho vibes and I'll be making a beautiful set of things to go with those boho vibes I'm feeling. And this is the Look for Less challenge, as I told you. So I'm gonna be recreating some pieces from other stores. Now, let me show you our supplies. Let's get started. And these are our supplies to make our faux palm leaves. To make our palm leaf, we're gonna take a piece of brown paper and we're gonna fold it in half, and we're gonna make this shape shorter in the bottom and a little bit wider on the top. Then we're gonna unfold it and we're gonna start making those little folds that we used to do when we were kids, and we make cute fans out of paper, those ones. And we're gonna continue folding all around our brown paper until we cover all of it with those small folds. They are like half an inch wide, something like that. And then that's how it looks, and we're gonna mark those creases using our nails, like that. We're gonna grab that and we're gonna cut the excess like that. Add our dowel, just adding a little bit of hot glue, and then we're gonna grab a piece of tape and we're gonna wrap that tape around it. That piece that you see there, brown piece, we're gonna wrap it around our dowel. I lost the footage for that, but you just wrap it around and add a little bit of hot glue. Now we are just cutting the triangles for our leaf so it looks like our inspiration piece. And then when we finish, we're gonna start painting our leaf. You can leave it like that, natural, or you can add some color. You can choose any color you want, but I'm using burnt umber, orange, and red. I'm putting some gloves on, and now we're gonna start painting. First, I'm gonna give it a good dry brush using orange, like that, all around. Just like that. And then we're gonna start with our red, and we're gonna paint all around it, but paying special attention to the tips of our triangles, like that. And I'm gonna add a little bit more paint because it's not looking painted enough. Like that, and we add lots of that red to the tips of our leaf. And then I'm taking the burnt umber to paint only the tips of my triangles. And I'm mixing the red with the burnt umber just by swiping my brush all around it, and they get mixed really nicely. Like that. And then we're gonna take red and orange and we're gonna start dry brushing all around our leaf. Now I'm adding a little bit of burnt umber to the rest of the leaf to blend it. And now we're gonna start with the dry brushing of the red and the orange. As you can see here, I'm just adding a little bit more of orange and red to my leaves, like that. And we are gonna also paint the dowel using that red and orange mix with a little bit of burnt umber So we just ties all of it together. And that's it. You have a beautiful palm leaf. These are the supplies we're going to use to make the vase. And to make our vase, we're going to need the glass vase and our spackle. And we're going to start adding our spackle to our vase, as you see me here, just patting it out. Pat, pat, pat. Because after that, we're going to smooth it out by using a little bit of water to make it smooth and make it beautiful. Just add enough so you can see the glass vase. And now I'm adding a little bit on top using the ones that I have, the spackle that I have left over on my gloves. And now I'm going to smooth it out. This is how it looks, and I'm going to paint it using the Celery Waverly Chalk Paint and giving it a dry brush on the hazelnut. First, we're going to paint it completely using the celery, just like that. And now we're going to let it dry. Now that it's dry, we're going to start dry brushing the hazelnut all over our vase. Just like that. And when it's dry, we have to let it dry completely. Then we're going to move on to add the side hangers, or the thing is to pick it up. But we're gonna just add it for decoration purposes because it's gonna be added with hot glue, as you see me here. Like that. We're gonna hot glue that to the sides. Good thing about gloves is that you won't get burned. So you can scrape off the excess hot glue, and that's it. This is my inspiration piece and mine that cost me only $4. And this is how they turned out. These are the palm leaves. This is how they look. They are a little bit darker than the inspiration piece, but I love how they turned out. Look at that. They look so real. You would never have thought that was just brown paper. This is how they look. Let me give you a better look of them. Now that I styled it, this is how they look with the vase. As you can see, we have the vase over there with our palm leaves. They are so beautiful together. I just love it. I'm using the birdcage that I DIY'd. And this is how the vase looks. So beautiful. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Yami and Hailey for bringing us this awesome challenge. I truly love how this turned out. It's just amazing. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.